Life is good in Spruce Grove. I'm Maya Day and I'm so proud to introduce you to 29 Spruce Gardens Crescent in Spruce Ridge. This rare bungalow-style unit has been developed with an eye towards the future. The basement will be perfect space for amalgamated family or for your adult student staying home while he attends the NAIT campus in Spruce Grove. Come inside, have a look at the bright open floor plan and the high-end finishings. A home that is perfectly proportioned to share with family or keep all to yourself. Would you like to see more? Then revisit this video on my website at mayaday.ca. You can download the floor plan, take the 360-degree tour, and view hundreds of photos. Then, when you're ready to call this home, call me at 780-910-6986. Book a personal showing and see what a difference a day makes.